Kia ora koutou. This is part 8 in the series about ngā Momo Rerenga Kōrero, Rerepūtake. We use these types of Rerenga Kōrero to say something was caused by something, or why something happened. By the end of this video, you'll understand causative sentences and be able to use them with confidence. Before we start, I'd like to say that if you've landed on my channel and you're finding my videos helpful, please click the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Ngā mihi. I'll start off by giving you a brief explanation about what a causative sentence is. We use these types of sentences to say why something's happened or the cause of it. Our rerepūtake or question sentence that this relates to is he aha ai, which means why. In my video about ngā tūhono, I showed you the phrase nā te mea, which we might use to say this happened because of this. Here's an example to show you what I mean. Ina nahi I noho koe ki te kāinga, he aha ai. Yesterday you stayed home. Why? Or more naturally, why did you stay home? And the answer? I noho au ki te kāinga nā te mea I mauiwi au. And here is the translation. This is an example of a causative sentence, a cause and effect type sentence. Being unwell is the cause, and staying home is the effect. I stayed home because I was unwell. The Rerepūtake structure is an extension of that idea. We still use the basic components of the question, he aha ai, but in a different way. Let's build the Rerepūtake and I'll show you what I mean. I'll pop our base sentence here in the corner, he aha ai. And I'll add a simple sentence example here. I wehe te kaiako, the teacher left. He aha ai. The teacher left. Why? The Rerepūtake question starts in the same way as the rerepūtake. And the question word is he aha. Then we add the subject of the sentence, which is te kaiako. Next up is the effect, I wehe. And then the rest of the rerepūtake, which is I. He aha te kaiako, I wehe ai. Why did the teacher leave? Now let's answer the question. There's a couple of different ways we can do that. If we're going to say because, we would use nā te mea. So let's start our answer like that. Nā. I'm going to say the teacher left because the meeting was too long. Nā te roa rawa o te hui, which is the cause. Next we have the subject, which is te kaiako, and then the effect comes at the end, followed by I. The kupu I in this sentence is used to indicate the cause of what's happened. Nā te roa rawa o te hui, te kaiako I wehe ai. Here's another example using the same structure as before. He aha, then the subject, which is tātou, and then the effect, I whakanui, celebrate, followed by I. He aha tātou I whakanui ai. Why did we celebrate? And the answer, nā te koronei hana tātou I whakanui ai. We celebrated because of the anniversary of the coronation. If we're adding an object to the sentence, like in this example here, why did they wear warm clothes? We place the kupu I directly after the tū mahi and then add in the rest of the sentence. He aha rātou I mau ai, and then I ngā kākahu mahana. They wore warm clothes because it was a cold day. Nā te makariri o te rā rātou, I mau ai, I ngā kākahu mahana. Here's an example with a location at the end of the sentence. Why did the boy go to the park? He ha te tama I haere ai ki te papatākoro. Nā te kēmu te tama I haere ai ki te papatākoro. The boy went to the park because of the game. In this example, I've structured the question sentence in a different way, using nā te aha. Nā te aha te tamaiti I tangi ai, which is asking what caused the child to cry. The answer sentence in this example is the same. Nā te kuri te tamaiti I tangi ai. The dog caused the child to cry. Or the dog made the child cry. You could also replace the tamaiti with the tūkapi ia. The dog made him cry. So far, all the examples have been in the wāhipa, in the past tense, asking why something happened. So here's an example of the same sentence structure I te wāheke, asking why something will happen in the future. The main difference is that the future tense will use e in the place of I. He aha rātou e haere ai. And in the answer, we use mā instead of nā. Mā te hui, a tau, rātou e haere ai ki te marae. In these examples, I've used pūrero or possessive pronouns to say it was because of you or it was because of him. We can use these as a way to acknowledge or show our appreciation, like in these examples here. Me mihi ki tō tātou kaiako. Mana tō tātou reo e tika ai. Me mihi ki tō tātou kaikarakia. Nāna te Māori o te karakia I kawe ai. And the last one, ka nui te mihi ki a koe, nau ahau I ārahi ai. Thank you so much. It was because of you that I have been guided. So there you have it. A brief explanation to the concept of Rerepūtake, causative sentences. When you want to ask why did or why will something happen, the cause and effect. I hope you found something useful in this video that's helped you in some way. Ka nui te mihi kia koutou katoa. Kia ora.